Hey everyone! Welcome back. Today, we're going to explore one of the most essential features of your Android phone, making and receiving calls. Even though your device is packed with apps and features, its main purpose is still as a phone. Making a call may seem simple, but there are several ways to do it, and even a few settings that can make this process even easier. Let's get started. If you already know the number you want to call, the fastest way is to open the keypad and type it in. Start by tapping the phone icon on your home screen. By default, you'll see the recent screen, which shows your recent calls. This makes it easy to quickly call someone who has recently contacted you. If the person isn't in your call log, tap the keypad button at the bottom and manually enter the number. As you type, any matching contacts from your list will appear, so you can select them instantly. Once the number is entered, tap the green call button to start a voice call. If your device shows a video camera icon, tapping it will start a video call instead. You can always cancel the call by tapping the red button. You can also make calls directly from your contacts. Tap the phone icon, then the Contacts tab. Scroll to the contact you want, tap their name, and you'll see options to call, video call, or message. Alternatively, you can open the Contacts app from your main apps list. Search for the contact or even use voice search by tapping the mic. Once you find the contact, tap their name and then tap the phone button to place your call. To see your call history, tap the phone icon and go to Recents, or open Call History from your apps list. Here, you'll see all received, made, and missed calls with names and numbers. You can filter the view by all calls, missed calls, or rejected calls using the Menu or More button. Swipe right on a number to call it again, or swipe left to send a message. During a call, you have several useful options. They may vary slightly between devices, but most work like this. Call details, see the name, number, and contact photo. Add call, dial another number while keeping the current call active. Hold call, temporarily pause the call. Bluetooth, switch the call to a paired headset. Speaker, activate or deactivate the speakerphone. Mute mic, turn off your microphone for privacy. Keypad, show or hide the dialer for extensions or automated systems. End call. Tap the red phone icon to finish your call. You can reject calls in 3 ways: ignore it, tap the reject call button, or reject it with a message. To send a message, drag the Reject with Message tab up and choose a preset or create your own. The call is rejected, and the message is sent automatically. You can also block specific numbers, reject all unknown numbers, or enable spam protection to block unwanted calls. For complete control over incoming and outgoing calls, use call barring. Go to Settings and search for call barring. Here, you can block all calls, outgoing international calls, or incoming calls while roaming. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Android tips and tutorials.